You don't want that to happen. All right, please like, share, comment, subscribe to the channel, consider joining membership. How you doing, everyone? This is just a friendly reminder for all those people who have plumbing issues or sewer issues, and if you have this issue, you probably do this every year, maybe even twice a year. I do it every winter and every spring, and I clean out my sewer drain. So let me show you what the issue is. So somewhere right around there, this area has been slowly sinking, and I think the earth has settled, and it's cracked the drainage pipe, because the drainage pipe goes all the way down through here and out into the sewer. And this lovely tree the roots have found its way to that drainage pipe, and it's definitely gotten in there. Now, how do I know that it's the tree? Because I've already done this, and when I pulled out the retriever, I could see little bits of roots. So somehow the roots have gotten in. Either the pipe has cracked and the roots have gotten in, or there's a connection joint and the roots have gotten through the connection joint. Either way, I'm dealing with it. So the other option is to dig up the pipe and put a new connection in there, get the root out, or just do this twice a year. So cheapest way for me is to do this twice a year. It is a little bit labor intensive, but once you do it, it works. I do have other videos that you can check out in the note section or description, or I'll probably pin it up to a comment that I've had to do this several times. So friendly reminder, thanks to good old Harbor Freight here. Good old HYDROSTAR. That's what this is, HYDROSTAR. And I know I have these gloves on, but you always want to wear these used to be freebie from Harbor Freight, but I'm wearing this. I just wear the gloves because this has been through a lot of crap. Okay, so there it is. It sounds good. I'm putting the hose through. The water's not backing up. If you listen while the machine is going, if you listen and you put the snake down, you can almost hear the water gushing. So I know it was starting to back up a little bit. It's just that the backup is way down there, and it takes a while to build up. It's probably not that bad, but I can almost hear the water kind of gushing as I got closer to that spot where the roots are. And I'm down far enough. I know exactly where I need to be, just a little bit beyond 50 feet. So I got 2 of these snakes in there, total of 100 feet. So when I reach that connection point, I'm going to, I know that I'm right about there, and I just go a little bit further, always putting back in, putting back in, slowly taking out, because you don't want to kink this. So the next thing I'm going to do is, I'm pretty much done. Again, if you want to see the video of me doing it, I got links in the notes or in the comment section. You can see there's some rusting here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a little bit of silicone and with Teflon, spray it in there, spray here, so I could push this back in a little bit easier, and coat it, give it some protection. So that's what I'm doing next. Okay, I've taken the hose out. Now I'm gonna take a shop cloth, and while I'm pulling it up, I'll try to dry it off, and also spray it with some of this if I can. Get it also in here a little bit. Kind of make it go in a little bit easier. So got about maybe 70, 60 foot to go. Alright, I got it going in reverse, and gonna put it back in, and while it's doing that, I'm gonna try to wipe it and silicone spray it, kind of killing 2 birds with 1 stone. You don't want that to happen. Anyways, I guess you get the idea. All right, done. Cleaned and sprayed, hopefully, and prevent some rust and use it for next spring. All right, please like, share, comment, subscribe to the channel, consider joining membership. Until next time, everybody. Bye.